Electronics is the foundation of countless careers. We have a lot of unique hands-on technical courses here that you just don't usually ever see at community colleges.
If you like doing cool stuff, whether it be just building a machine or seeing what the machine does, you can do all of that here, and it's just wonderful.
A lot of times we'll have music playing, just kind of make it like a creative, warm space.
Electronics are important because they're present in every single function of the job that we do.
The basis for everything we do is based around electronics. They're all working together to give us a device that can save lives.
The advantage here is NMC has access to the equipment that I'm going to be using when I'm actually out on the job site.
The knowledge that NMC gives to the students and the grads when they're coming out of the program, or even when they're like halfway through the program, gives them a really good head start.
I haven't seen a student that hasn't had a job once they graduate from the program.
Having the experience from NMC gets you a foot in the door immediately.
We want to get the people who have a cool idea and want to make something. We want to help the people who just want to fix something, but we also want to help the kids and the younger people. We want to help them so they can be interested in this stuff, right? Because it's a cool growing field.